It is May 13, 2021. This is Eben McDermott with Feather Fighters. I am at a large shopping center on Johns Island, South Carolina, that has had a major seagull problem for at least 20 years. The seagulls have been all over the parapet from one end of this shopping center to the other, and have been constantly all over these LED lamp posts. You can see that we have installed Daddy Longlegs 4 foot in diameter on tops of the light poles. That has been done since Monday. There has not been one seagull on the top of those lamp posts. Feather Fighters has installed shock track on all the parapet ledges from one end to the other, and we are getting ready to run power to it. Next video will show the seagulls leaving these parapet walls. If you have a seagull problem at your place of business, call Feather Fighters for a solution. This is Eben with Feather Fighters. We are still on the same shopping center that has the seagull problem. You can see the seagulls all over the tops of the parapet. I have 850 linear foot of shock track running on the top of this parapet, and then all the way over to the other side of the plaza, and that shock track is running off of that battery, solar powered battery that runs 1,000 foot of shock track. I have 850 linear foot hooked up to it. Here's the second battery. This is powering one row on top of the parapet, and then 2 rows down the rest of the building, and that is running an additional 850 linear foot. We've installed 1,700 linear foot up here total, and we are about to turn on the batteries and watch these birds fly.